Hello everyone, Tiana here, and today I'll be showing you how to win at tic-tac-toe every single time. So first of all, I'll be playing against the computer while the phone. So let's get started. So first of all, I am going to go for this corner, then over here, then right on here because I don't want them winning. So, if you didn't notice, my trick was to try and always go for the corners. But you got to make sure that you go first. So, to make sure that this works, I'm going to go and try it on my brother. Okay, so, I'll be starting and I am going to go right on here. Your turn. And then I'll go over here. No, I've already won.
Huh? Oh yeah, you did.
Go on, just click one.
I want to, but what if you should go there? No!
And there, I won. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.